Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. Thanks for stopping by today. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you like DIYs, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on anything new. Today I'm going to be making some summer farmhouse kitchen lemon decor from Dollar Tree items. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, for the first project, I'm making a lemon rug, and I got this idea off of Target's website. I saw one like this for $15.99 and thought I could recreate it. So I'm using one of these gray ribbed floor mats from Dollar Tree, and I'm just tracing out a circle in the middle of that rug with one of these planter trolleys from Dollar Tree and a piece of chalk. You could use a bowl or a plate, whatever you would like. And then on the side of that big circle, I traced out two half circles, and these are going to be the lemon slices. So now what I'm doing is taking some of the Waverly chalk paint in the color Maize. That's one of the smaller bottles from Walmart that costs around $1.50 or $2. And I just painted two coats inside each of the circles. I did use the whole bottle of chalk paint for this. Because the rug just wasn't very absorbent, so it took a lot of paint to get it this dark and this bright of a yellow. Now that the yellow paint is all dry, I am coming back with my white linen chalk paint by Rust-Oleum that I already had, and a smaller paintbrush to paint the details onto each lemon slice. There was really no rhyme or reason or technique I used to paint the details onto the lemon slices. I did have the original picture of the rug that I liked from Target pulled up on my phone while I was painting this, so I had something to reference. So I'll link that down below in the description box if you guys want to check out that original rug and see what it looked like and see how close I got it. But all I did was take my white linen chalk paint and outline each of the lemon slices with that, and then I did use the little cap from the chalk paint, the yellow chalk paint I was using, to outline a circle into the middle of each of the lemon slices, and then that's where I painted my sections for each lemon slices from, and then I just came back with the yellow paint if it was too dark, and I blended the white paint with the yellow paint, and I just kind of played around with it until I got it the way I wanted it to. I came back and added more sections on the slices if I needed to, and I think towards the end of it, it kind of started resembling the original rug, and it started looking more like lemon slices. So I really love how this turned out, and it was really simple to do. It took a little bit of time to paint, but that was it, and it only cost me a few dollars to make this. So I was really happy about that, and it's something that can brighten up my kitchen for the summertime. This next DIY could be used as a centerpiece. I'm just taking one of these long planters from Dollar Tree, and I am painting it with two coats of the white linen chalk paint by Rust-Oleum. And then I am filling it up with a couple of plastic bags just to give me the height, and it's cheap to use that, so I don't have to use so much foam. And then I did put 3 things of floral foam. It was actually one long thing of floral foam, and then I cut one piece into 2 sections for the sides of the floral foam that I'm using here. And then I did hot glue that floral foam to each other so that way it wouldn't move around so much. And now I'm using 3 of these lemons from Dollar Tree, and I'm hot gluing that down to the floral foam. I'm gluing one on one side, and then one in the middle, and then one on the other side. And you can glue them however you want. You can stand them up, lay them down, just whatever your preference is. Next, I'm going to use 3 of these garlands from Dollar Tree, and I am just picking off the leaves and I am putting them into the floral foam. And to help me do that, I am just using one of the wooden skewers, and I am just putting the little pointy part of the skewer inside the circle that you pull off of the garland, and I'm just pushing that down into the foam, and that really helped me get these leaves down in there to stick. And I just filled it up as much as I could, and then I came back with a little hot glue and hot glued some of the leaves to the lemons, so that way you couldn't see any of the green floral foam. And this turned out just so pretty and perfect for a little summer centerpiece. For this last lemon DIY, I'm using one of these glass containers from Dollar Tree. I'm just taking the lid off and painting it with 2 coats of the white linen chalk paint on the outside of the glass, making sure I don't paint where the lid screws on at. And now that it's dry, I'm going to use some of this matte clear protective finish. It's by Rust-Oleum, and I just painted a coat on it so that way it would be easily wipeable, since this will be sitting out in my kitchen. And I just filled this up with some already made lemonade mix. You could put sugar in it if you wanted to. And I'm going to use one of these Dollar Tree signs, but I'm just using the little lemon piece that you can just peel off of there. It's really simple to get off. And then I just took a Phillips head screwdriver and made a hole into the corner of the little lemon slice. And now I'm taking some Dollar Tree twine and just putting that through the lemon slice and tying that to the jar. And that was it. This is really simple and easy. I added it to my little drink station. I have some water here, and then you can just add the lemonade mix to your cup. So I love how it turned out. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below if you decorate for the summertime specifically, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.